How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to bench press more weight fast. So I get this question quite often from people, so we're going to go over this right now. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training for me, simply comment below in the comment section. And I will get back to you guys with more details. I also want to talk about if you guys like the way these videos are being made. So please comment below. Let me know if you like this style of video. I know before I would go in my basement and I would have the tripod up with the microphone. So this is just another way of doing it. It's just me chilling out on my couch. I'm a little more relaxed. There's not really any script, not really reading from any notes or anything. It's just me going a little bit raw and just talking about some common questions that I get in the description box from people. So just comment below. Let me know if you guys like this. If it's awful, if you guys don't like the lighting, you don't like the audio, if it's just not good, comment below. I want to know what your guys' opinion are. I'm not saying that I'm going to do all kinds of videos like this. It's not going to be like this. This is just a couple of videos I might make here and there. But anyways, let's get started. How to bench press more weight fast. Now, my best bench press ever, you guys, is around 300 pounds. And it was surprisingly when I was about 19 years old, you guys. I'm 25 right now. So in that course of that time, why is my best bench press when I was 19? Well, when I was 19, it was the highest body weight I have ever gotten up to, and it was when I was really serious into the powerlifting or just starting into the powerlifting. But use my experience to help you guys out. Now, I myself, I am gaining weight, and this goes with the number one tip that I can tell you to bench press more weight, and it's a reason why I've been stuck for so long with my bench press. I know people will tell you all the time, you need to do this technique, you need to do this, you need this assistance exercise. Hands down, the number one tip I will give you is to gain weight. I can't stress this enough. Whenever I look at my old logs for my best bench press, it's when I was 19. It's when I weighed around 200 pounds and I benched 295, I believe. The rep was very bad. I guess you can say I've benched more because now I can do 290 with good form, and I have done it in the past with way better form. So I guess I have gotten stronger. I shouldn't say my best bench press was when I was 19. I have gotten stronger, but it goes with saying that the more you gain, the more you weigh, the bigger your bench press will be. I can't state that enough. So guys are sitting here, they're 130 pounds. They want a tip to get bigger bench press. Get to 160 pounds. Guarantee your bench press will shoot up at least 100 pounds, 150 pounds. No doubt about it. If you're struggling with 150 pounds, 160 pounds, start gaining weight. But here's the thing, don't get fat. That's a mistake I've made in the past too. Don't go from 180 to 200 pounds, or don't go from 130 to 160 in 5 months. It's going to be mainly fat. Aim for 2 pounds to 3 pounds of body weight per month. Now, it's going to be around 2 pounds of muscle if you're a beginner, so you can still pack on 25 pounds in a year. You do that for 2 years in a row, you get 50 pounds added on, you go from 130 to 180, your bench press is going to be like 300 pounds, guaranteed. And another thing, it depends on your genetics, how you're built. I have crazy long arms. I'm only 5'9", you guys. My wingspan is similar to someone who is 6'5". Like, my arms are crazy long. They're super long. I can deadlift a crazy amount of weight. I've done 600 pounds before, you guys, but to bench press, I struggle because my range of motion. But since I've started adding weight, you guys, like right now in the morning, I'm 194, 195. I'm slowly creeping up there for body weight, and my bench press is shooting up. Like, it's gonna hit 300, 350, and 330, 350. I just got to keep gaining weight, you guys. So that's my biggest tip: gain weight, and it's probably the number one thing. I know people will tell you upper back, do this, do that, do shoulders, do that. Bench press often. Bench press 2 to 3 times a week. Gain weight. Frequency is key. You want to get stronger? It's neural adaptations. That's what happens when you bench press. You can bodybuild, do high repetitions, but overall, you want to get stronger, do 3 to 5 repetitions. What I like to do and what I've been doing is I'll train 20 reps, 15 reps, 10 reps, 5 reps, then I'll deload, then I'll redo it, you guys. So end of video. I've talked long enough. The biggest tip I can say is gain weight. Bench press 3 times a week. multiple rep ranges, you guys, and swap out your bench press variations. Don't just bench press. Do incline barbell bench press. Do a higher incline bench press, if you will. Do a flat dumbbell bench, an incline dumbbell bench, and just keep swapping out those bench press variations. Over time, your bench press will soar. Trust me on this. End of video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.